Dear student, please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir to learn a total syllabus of 10th class of Maharashtra State Board. And thanks for watching this video. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण मॉडर्न पिरियडिक टेबल मध्ये that is metallic and non-metallic properties in period study करणार आहोत. Before this video we study that is atomic size in period and group, then valencies of elements in period and group. Now here we start metallic and non-metallic properties in period. Look here, one important point: metal have tendency to lose the electron and non-metal have tendency to gain the electron. Look, that is metals have tendency to lose the electrons, and non-metals have tendency to gain the electrons. Metals have tendency to lose the electron and non-metals have tendency to gain the electron. Hence, metal shows the electropositive nature and non-metal shows the electronegative nature. Hence, metal shows electropositive nature and non-metal shows electronegative nature. Non-metal shows electronegative nature. Then how that metallic and non-metallic properties of element changes in period? Look here, we take the example of that is period number third period number 3. We take an example of period number 3, that is sodium atomic number 11, then magnesium atomic number 12, then aluminium atomic number 13, silicon atomic number 14, then phosphorus atomic number 15, sulfur atomic number 16, chlorine atomic number 17, and argon atomic number 18. Now we study the electronic configuration here. Sodium 281, magnesium 282, aluminium 283, silicon 284, phosphorus 285, sulfur 286, chlorine 287, and argon 288. Dear student, look here. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इकडे लक्ष द्या की sodium, magnesium and aluminium are the metal. Sodium have 1 valence electron, magnesium have 2 valence electron, and aluminium have 3 valence electron. Hence, their valency is 1, 2, and 3. Silicon have valency 4. Dear student, look here. Sodium can lose the 1 electron very easily from outermost orbit, because you know that the attraction between outermost orbit and nucleus is less in sodium as compared to aluminium. Aluminium takes more time to lose the 3 electron, but sodium can lose the 1 electron very easily. Means sodium is more electropositive than the aluminium. Means sodium is strong metal than the aluminium. Means metallic properties decreases from left to right in period. That sodium is strong metal and aluminium is weak metal, and silicon is metalite. And look here, phosphorus have gaining valency 3, because phosphorus have 5 valence electron. It requires 3 electron to complete the octet. Sulfur have gaining valency 2. It requires 2 electron to complete the octet. And you know, chlorine have gaining valency 1 and argon have 0. Here non-metals have tendency to gain the electron. Chlorine gain one electron very easily as compared to phosphorus. Phosphorus take more time to gain the 3 electron because attraction between outermost orbit 7 electron and nucleus is greater in chlorine. Hence chlorine is most electronegative in this period and sodium is most electropositive in this period. Hence non-metallic properties increases from left to right in period. Chlorine is strong non-metal because it can gain the 1 electron easily, and phosphorus is weak non-metal. It's taken more time to gain the 3 electron here. Hence we write description here, that is metallic properties. Metallic properties decreases from left to right in period. Metallic properties decreases from left to right in period, and non-metallic properties increases from left to right. Increases from left to right in period. Means look here, electropositive nature decreases from left to right and electronegative nature increases from left to right. Hence electropositive nature decreases from left to right. Electropositive nature decreases from left to right, and electronegative nature increases from left to right. Electronegative nature increases from left to right. Means in this way, that is the metallic and non-metallic properties in period. In next video, we study that is metallic and non-metallic properties in group.